Hello friends, my name is Nitin Vyas and in this video I'm going to explain you what is Mall 91 business, what is the business plan of this company and how you can earn money with this business. In the complete video I will explain you how within 7 months you can generate 5 lakh rupees per month income with this business. So you need patiently watch the complete video to understand the business plan. Each and everything I will explain you. And to make you more curious, I will show you some screenshots that how much people are earning who have joined 5-6 months back. So I will show you some screenshot. You can see the daily income which are showing in this screenshot is around 6,800 rupees a day, 6,500 rupees a day, 6,500 rupees a day. This is the daily income of people who have joined this business 4-5 months back. They are earning that much amount of money. This is a bank withdrawal screenshot of 37,000 rupees from Mall 91, 47,000 rupees, 94,000 rupees per month. That much amount of money people are earning. And you can see this screenshot also. In that income is 2,29,000 rupees per month income. That much amount of money people are earning. So what you need to patiently understand the company business plan of this company so that you can understand the whole concept and how you can earn money in your spare time by working 2-3 hours a day, and you can do whatever you are doing in your life. Maybe you are a student or doing some business or doing job, but in parallel you can do this business from your home and you can also generate this amount of money. It's a completely government registered company. You can search even on Google, YouTube, everything. It's a government registered, Ministry of Corporation Affairs of India. The company is registered in that MCA. So now I will explain you. Before explaining how you can earn money, I will explain you why this company is distributing money to people. Okay, what is the revenue? From where the company is getting the revenue? Each and everything I will explain you. So I will open Mall 91 application, and in that application you can see there are so many advertisements of different products are going on. That companies pay to Mall 91, and after keeping some percentage remaining, Mall 91 distribute to its users up to 15 level. Okay, there are so many advertisements. And one more thing I want to tell you, that to become an active member on regular basis you need to do 2 activities. What they are? You have to click on that spin option. It is available here and I have already done. So when you open it, you can see one option there to rotate. When you click on rotate, one advertisement will come. Okay, so from that type of advertisement, that company is generating revenue and it will distribute some percentage to its users. So this is the first activity. Second, what you need to do, you need to click on scratch card option. That scratch card option you need to click and you need to rub it. As you can see, there is advertisement of one product. So from that, company is getting revenue and from keeping some percentage remaining, it is distributing to users. And you can see I have earned some amount of money by doing this activity also. So on regular basis you need to do these 2 things to become an active member of this company. And if your team members also doing the same thing, you will get a big amount of money. As you have seen in screenshot, that 6,800 rupees something from team activity people are getting. Okay, so this is the revenue plan from where company is getting money. Now I will explain you how you can earn money, how much you can earn money, and I will explain you in just 7 months how you can create an income of 7 lakh rupees per month by just referring 10 people under you. So we will go to the gallery and I have made one plan. I hope you can see it. It's a level wise income plan. Now first I will explain you what are levels. Whenever you will join some person with your ID, with your refer ID, that person will come in your level 1. Suppose you have joined with my ID, so you are in my level 1. Now if you join someone with your ID, so that person is in your level 1, but that person is in my level 2. That person will come in my level 2. And if my level 2 person will join someone in that company, it will come in my level 3. So these are the level. So up to 15 level you will get money from the people who join under you, and they will just do 2 things as I explained earlier. by doing spin and by scratch card, some advertisement will come. It is not needed that they will buy a product or you will sell product. Nothing is needed. If they only open that, you will get money from your team. Okay, how much I will explain you completely. So I think you have understand what is the level. You will get money from up to 15 levels. Okay, now I will explain you by just joining 10 people under your ID with your ID. If they also join 10 people, so how you can create an income of 5 lakh rupees per month. Now understand, suppose you have joined in your first month. Okay, today you have joined, and in next 30 days you join 10 people with your ID, those who want to earn money. So in your level 1 there are 10 people. From each and every person of your level 1 you will get 5 rupees per month, and 5 rupee divided by 30, 17 paisa on daily basis will be credited into your main wallet, and in 1 month you will get 5 rupees from one person. So you have joined 10 people by your ID in a month, so you will get 5 rupees per person. In a month you will get 50 rupees from your level 1 people. So your 1 month income is 50 rupees in your first month. Okay, in next month, suppose you have joined in January, so in whole January you have joined 10 people with your ID, so you will get 50 rupees from that 10 people. Your income of January month is 50 rupees, but it will increase exponentially like coronavirus. In next month your income will increase up to 5-fold. Now in second month, suppose the 10 people you have joined, they also refer 10 people because they also want to earn money. Now in your level 2 there are total 100 people. From level 2 person you will get 2.5 rupees per person. So from 100 people you will get 250 rupees per month income. Now that 100 people also refer 10 people. So in your level 3 there are 1000 people, and from each and every person of level 3 you will get 1.25 rupees. So total you will get 1250 rupees per month. Now your monthly income is 1250 rupees. As you have seen in screenshot, some people are earning 2 lakh rupees per month because they have created big team. Okay, now in next month, that is April month. Okay, this is your 4th month. Okay, April month, that third level people also join 10 people like you because they also want to earn money. So in your level 4 there are 10,000 people, and from level 4 person you will get 1 rupee per person. So now you are getting 10,000 rupees monthly income from your team. When they are doing just two things of 10 seconds, they are opening the Mall91 application and they are using the spin option and scratch card option. That will take just 10 seconds, and on that advertisement will come. Company will get revenue and company will distribute that amount up to 10 levels. So you will get 10,000 rupees a month income. You haven't sell any product, you not need to sell any product, you not need to purchase any product. If you want you can, but if you don't want there is no need. But still you are getting money because company is getting money by advertisement, as YouTube is getting money by advertisement. Okay, so now you are in April month. Now we will move to next month and the 5th month of your joining. That 4th level person also joined 10 people. So in your level 5 there are total 1 lakh people, and from each and every person you will get 0.75 rupees 75 paisa. So now with 1 lakh people you are monthly getting 75,000 rupees. So in next 5 months you can generate 75 rupees per month income by just joining 10 people in your first month. I think this is very easy, because to earn 75,000 rupees a month you not need to study a lot to get a good job in multinational companies, and you have to study 4-5 years. After that only you can earn that much amount of knowledge, and then only you can join some MNCs to get that much amount of money. But the interesting fact is that if you are at home, you are not going to office, you will not get money. But in this, your team is working under you. You will not, if you even not open your mobile phone, still you will get money. So this is the beauty of this business. Now you are in the 5th month. Okay, so in next month, like 6th month, that 1 lakh people also join 10 people because they also want to earn money. So in your level 6 there are total 10 lakh people. From each person you will get 0.65 paisa, 0.65 rupees, that is 65 paisa. So you will get 6,50,000 rupees per month income. Okay, that is a huge income. Now we will move one next month. Okay, we will go to next month also. In 7th month, if these 6th level people also join just 10 people in a month, so your total team will in 7 months will be 1 crore people under you are working, and from each and every person of level 7 you will get 50 paisa, that is 0.5 rupee. So your monthly income is around 50 lakh rupees per month. In just 7 months you can earn that much amount of money by just referring 10 people in your very first month, and if they also do the same thing, so you can earn 50 lakh rupees per month income. And you have seen in a screenshot many people are earning 2-3 lakh rupees. Okay, now suppose if you are not achieve this much income, just 10%, if you achieve that 10% income is also 5 lakh rupees. That 10% income is also 5 lakh rupees. So this is also very huge income. And I have shown you just one income, that is by spin and scratch card. But there are one more thing, order income. What is this order income? This also you will get up to 15 level. Because in that application there are many products, multiple products. Okay, there are multiple products. If any person from your team purchase any product of any company from this Mall91 application, on that also you will earn money. So you can't imagine how big you can earn from this business. You just need to make a network of people, and e-commerce and network marketing is a business of future. People are earning crores of rupees with this business. So I think you have understand each and everything how you can earn. So your first month target is to join just 10 people with your ID. We have created a group of training group where we will add you. You will get guidance, and day by day we will explain you how you will get joinings. In my next audio I will explain you how you can get joinings. Okay, so I think you have understood each and everything. Okay, thank you very much.